In today's exercise, I'm going to demonstrate how to do a barbell squat. Now, this exercise activates the quads, hamstrings, and also the glutes. And the things that you need will be a barbell squat rack, a barbell, and some safety clips. Now, when performing this exercise, the first thing you want to do is go ahead, have your hands about shoulder distance apart. When coming underneath the barbell, try not to have the barbell resting on your neck. Have it resting right here on your back where the scapula meets. Now, when coming out, try to stay within the rack where you see the safety bars are at. Have your feet about nice and straight and shoulder distance apart. Now, when coming down, you want to push the butt out, keep that chest up, and then go as low as you can till you reach to a 90-degree angle on the knees and then back up. This is how you do a barbell squat.